In today's video, I am going to teach you how to repair a copper golem in Minecraft 26.1.2. Updated 2026 guide. Repairing a copper golem in Minecraft is a simple process when you have the right item ready. The main thing you need is a copper ingot. Once you have that, you can restore health to a damaged copper golem in just a moment. First, find a copper golem that has taken damage. You will need to be close enough to interact with it directly, so walk up to the golem and make sure you can clearly target it. If there are multiple mobs or objects nearby, take a second to line up your view so you are selecting the copper golem and not something else. Next, get a copper ingot into your inventory if you do not already have one. After that, move the copper ingot into your active hotbar slot so you can hold it in your hand. This part is important because the repair action only works when the copper ingot is the item you are actively using. Once the copper ingot is in your hand, face the damaged copper golem and use the interact action on it. On most setups, this means right-clicking on the copper golem while holding the copper ingot. Make sure you are clicking on the golem itself and not the ground next to it. If the interaction is successful, the copper golem will regain health. If the repair does not seem to work right away, check a few simple things. Confirm that you are holding a copper ingot and not a different copper item. Make sure the golem is actually damaged, since a fully healthy copper golem may not show any visible change. Also, make sure you are close enough to interact and that your cursor is directly over the golem. This method is useful whenever your copper golem has been in combat or has taken environmental damage. Keeping a few copper ingots with you can make repairs quick and convenient, especially if you rely on your copper golem during gameplay. So to recap, locate the damaged copper golem, place a copper ingot in your hand, and right-click the golem to repair it. The copper golem will regain health as soon as the interaction goes through. That covers everything you need to know.